Electricity's shutting down. Business is failing. And our perfectly perfect site isn't perfect anymore.
I know, Waldo. Keep scrubbing. Hacker's gotta be up to something, or he wouldn't be here.
A secret room.
Whoa! We gotta find out what's in there.
I'm pooped. I can't believe we delivered more than 2,000 cans of Digifizz.
This should give us enough for the next order. Now we can go help the mayor figure out what's making those spots. Here you go, Jackie. Oops.
No problem. I'll clean them all. Yikes! These orange spots look just like the ones we saw on the dome.
How'd they get in here? Hey, were they here before I dropped the Digifizz?
Are you saying my Digifizz caused those spots?
No. I mean, I don't know. It's just that it...
Digifizz isn't even orange!
Whoa, Raz, no one's saying...
How could you even think to blame... Never mind!
Raz, wait!
Hurry up, Dunce Buckets. Bring more soup.
I hear you, Buzzy. Someday, maybe we'll have our own factory and make... Oh, I don't know. Maybe noodles.
Not noodles.
Junior.
Yeah, good one.
What is that thing?
Who's Hackie's little monster? Very bad breath. But don't worry, more soup is on the way. Oh, yes! You're going to grow bigger and meaner and scarier than any monster in cyberspace. And you'll do whatever I say, right?
Did you really think Digifizz caused these spots?
I don't know, but we can test the idea. Rock it and unlock it.
The sparkles disappeared!
Oh no! 6 new spots! It's gotta be the Digifizz.
But Jax, how can that be? Like Raz said, there's no orange in the sparkles.
That's right. It's not in the sparkles. I checked my notes. There's orange stuff in the propellant.
Propellant?
The stuff that sends the sparkles up in the air. Which means maybe the Digifizz is polluting the dome.
Hold on. There's only 6 small spots up there. How could little spots like that make a big mess like the one all over the dome?
Maybe you're right.
Come on, guys, let's think this through. We know how many cans of Digifizz we gave out, right? 1 can per student, 20 cans per class, 340 cans per school, and 2,040 cans for all 6 schools.
The question is, how many spots do all those cans make?
Okay, to find out, we need to multiply each can by 3 spots.
The first one is easy. 1 can makes 3 spots. That's not so many.
Not yet. 20 cans times 3 spots is 60 spots.
The number's getting bigger.
And we're just getting started. 340 cans times 3 spots is 1,020. And for 6 schools, a total of 6,120 spots?
Yikes! That's a lot of spots!
Enough to gunk up the entire dome.
It's the multiplier effect again. Except this time, it multiplied the problem big time.
Floor is getting huge.
And mean.
That's the point. The more soup we feed her, the bigger and meaner she'll get. See?
Want to grow your own flora monster? All you need are ultra-vicious plants like these. Just mash them up in water and feed them to her. The more Flora eats, the nastier she gets. One packet of ultra-vicious seeds grows 50 ultra-vicious plants. So buy in bulk. Available at a Mary Contrary garden store near you.
Once I take over Perfectamundo, I'll grow another Flora, and another one, and one after that. I'll have a whole army of Floras, enough to take over all of cyberspace. Let's go visit Mary Contrary.
All right, boss.
Oh,
Who would think that one little toy could cause such a big problem?
You need to get back every can of Digifizz you gave out, immediately! And don't make any more!
but what if I can fix it? What if I can make it work without the orange stuff?
Okay, you have 1 hour. But if that doesn't work, we do it my way. Come on, Waldo. We have to figure out a way to get the dome clean. It's such a big job! Hurry! We gotta stop this monster!
I know, but I feel bad for her. I mean, she's only nasty because of the plant's hackers feeding her.
Hey, let's see what else is on that video.
But if you'd rather have a pet than a monster, why not grow a sweet, cuddly Flora? It's just as easy. Instead of ultra-vicious plants, feed your Flora ultra-vivacious ones. They grow wild on sunny cybersites like Perfectamundo.
Matt, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah? What's vivacious mean?
It means happy and playful. Come on, let's go pick some rainbow-colored flowers. These orange bits in the propellants are what's sticking to the dome. But if we insert a filter, like this, into each canister, I think we can block them.
Go for it, Raz!
No! Well,
No orange spots!
Way to go, Raz! You did it!
All we have to do now is get all the kids with cans of Digifizz to come here and put in the filters.
well, there is one other thing we should...
What?
Help the mayor and Waldo clean up the dome. It's a huge mess. They'll never finish it alone.
Okay, we can help, that's for sure. And Matt and Inez will help, and,
Great. We can get all the kids in Perfectamundo to help.
How we gonna do that? We already gotta fix the problem with the Digifizz. The mayor gave us less than an hour.
We can do both. We can get out the filters and ask kids to help clean the dome. My friends from Inventor Scouts will help us.
I see. The Inventor Scouts will hand out the filters and spread the word about cleaning the dome. Raz, you're a genius. So how many scouts are in each group?
4.
How many groups in each school?
10.
And how many schools have scouts?
All 6.
That's a total of 240 Inventor Scouts. And if each scout talks to 10 kids and gives them each a filter, we'll reach 2,400 kids.
And to contact all those kids, I only have to call 6 scouts. One from each school.
Then everyone can meet us in town square, we'll help clean the dome, and then we'll celebrate